Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and dense woods, there lived a man named Edwin. Edwin was known throughout the village for his peculiar habits and unusual demeanor. He wore mismatched clothes and carried a small wooden box with him wherever he went, though he never opened it in public. Edwin was an amateur inventor, and he spent his days tinkering in his cluttered workshop. The villagers often whispered about his eccentric experiments, which included mechanical birds that sang at sunrise and clocks that ticked backwards. Despite the mystery surrounding his inventions, Edwin was kind-hearted and always willing to help those in need, often using his creations to solve small problems for his neighbors. One crisp autumn morning, Edwin found a letter in his mailbox, though he was certain he hadn't sent or received any correspondence recently. The letter was written in elegant, flowing script and read, "The time has come to reveal the truth. Your greatest invention awaits you. Meet me at the old oak tree at midnight." Curiosity piqued, Edwin decided to follow the mysterious invitation. As the clock struck midnight, he made his way to the old oak tree at the edge of the forest. There, under the moonlight, he found a figure standing beside a covered object. The figure was cloaked in shadows, but Edwin could sense an air of familiarity. The figure introduced themselves as a former colleague of Edwin's from his early days as an inventor. They revealed that the small wooden box Edwin had carried for years was no ordinary box. It was a repository for a remarkable invention that Edwin had unwittingly created long ago. With a flourish, the figure unveiled the object covered beneath a cloth. It was an intricate, clockwork contraption that seemed to pulsate with an otherworldly energy. The figure explained that Edwin's invention had the power to alter perceptions of time itself, allowing its user to revisit past moments or glimpse into possible futures. As Edwin examined the contraption, he realized that the inventions he had been working on all these years were merely experiments leading up to this culmination. The letter had been a test, a way to see if Edwin was ready to embrace the true scope of his genius. With a mix of awe and trepidation, Edwin decided to use the device to explore his past and future. What he saw was both wondrous and sobering. He revisited cherished memories, witnessed how his inventions had impacted the village, and glimpsed the future of his creations. In the end, Edwin chose to keep the device hidden, using it only to guide his work and ensure that his inventions would benefit others without causing unintended consequences. The village continued to thrive with Edwin's quirky inventions, and he remained a beloved figure, his enigmatic nature only adding to the charm of his legacy. And so, Edwin's story became a legend in the village, a tale of mystery, invention, and the timeless quest for understanding the profound impact one person can have on the world.